Get ready for speed because Amazon is completely changing the game with ultra-fast delivery. Amazon is rolling out 30-minute delivery in major U.S. cities as the Amazon Now service expands rapidly. We dive into how this massive expansion is reshaping local commerce and what it means for your next purchase.
Here's a simple way to protect your phone without stress. This ALEN 3-pack comes with tempered glass screen protectors, camera lens protectors, and an installation frame for an easier, cleaner fit. It's clear, case-friendly, and built to help guard against scratches and everyday bumps. Check the link in the comments to get it on Amazon.
Next up, we look at the deep dive into how Amazon fintech teams are conquering regulatory complexity using generative AI on Oz. Discover the cutting-edge system built with Amazon Bedrock and other AWS services that is transforming how they handle massive volumes of compliance documentation and complex inquiries. Now, let's talk infrastructure power. Amazon Redshift is leveling up its performance with new Graviton-based RG instances, bringing data warehouse workloads up to 2.2 times faster at a lower price point. Find out how this new offering integrates a data lake query engine to revolutionize your analytics. And finally, we're looking at operational excellence. Amazon EMR on EC2 just got a massive observability upgrade with release 7.11.0, bringing real-time log streaming and custom metrics. Don't miss this breakdown of how this update is streamlining monitoring and debugging for your big data workloads. Stay with us. Amazon is dramatically accelerating its delivery capabilities across major U.S. cities, expanding its Amazon Now service to offer customers delivery in 30 minutes or less. This move signals a significant escalation in the race for ultra-fast commerce, directly competing with services like DoorDash, Instacart, and Uber Eats, which have broadened their offerings beyond food to include merchandise. Amazon Now, which supplies a wide range of goods including groceries, personal care items, electronics, and household items, is rapidly growing its footprint. The service is now widely available in key metropolitan areas such as Atlanta, Dallas-Fort Worth, Philadelphia, and Seattle, with aggressive expansion planned for dozens more cities including Austin, Houston, Minneapolis, Orlando, Phoenix, Denver, and Oklahoma City. The company projects expanding the service to tens of millions of shoppers nationwide by the end of the year. This push for speed is a strategic effort to enhance customer convenience and retain sales on the Amazon marketplace. Amazon already offers various delivery tiers, including 1-hour and 3-hour options for over 90,000 products, alongside same-day delivery for millions of items. Furthermore, Amazon is set to significantly scale up its Prime Air drone delivery service, which promises delivery in under 60 minutes across 9 U.S. locations. The operational backbone of Amazon now relies on strategically located, urban micro-fulfillment centers. These centers utilize on-demand workers to pick up orders, employing advanced inventory systems that leverage hyperlocal demand data to optimize product selection, minimize travel distances for delivery associates, and maximize speed. Customers in service areas will see a 30-minute delivery option prominently displayed on the app and homepage. Pricing structures vary based on membership. Prime members pay a discounted delivery fee of $3.99 per order, while non-members face a $13.99 fee. The service operates 24 hours a day in most available areas. Amazon's success in training consumers for same-day delivery has established a high benchmark that other retailers are struggling to match amid rising costs like tariffs and fuel expenses, according to Joshua Ketter, global CEO of marketplace seller Spreedel. While some competitors are exploring deferred delivery options, as a McKinsey survey indicated 90% of customers are willing to wait 2 to 3 days for free shipping, Amazon is continuing to raise the delivery bar. In the broader logistics landscape, the industry faces existential threats from issues like double brokering, AI deepfakes, and identity theft in freight. Simultaneously, discussions are intensifying around the future of supply chains, with experts convening to explore the deployment of AI in logistics, the impact of reshoring on freight demand, and the role of rail infrastructure. Noi Dung Kai Tait. Amazon fintech teams are revolutionizing how they handle complex regulatory inquiries by deploying a scalable generative AI application built on Amazon Web Services. Faced with the challenge of processing diverse regulatory requests, varying document formats, and high complexity, Amazon needed a solution that could efficiently review documentation, extract critical information from vast historical data, and compile responses within strict timeframes. /N/N the core challenges addressed by this new system included knowledge fragmentation, the difficulty of managing conversational context in multi-turn inquiries, and the critical need for observability to ensure accuracy and prevent hallucinations or the use of outdated guidelines. /N to tackle these issues, the team engineered an intelligent regulatory response automation system utilizing Amazon Bedrock, AWS Lambda, and various supporting services. The solution implements retrieval augmented generation, RAG, using Amazon Bedrock knowledge bases and Amazon OpenSearch serverless for vector storage, enabling rapid information retrieval across thousands of documents. /N for conversational interaction. The system leverages real-time chat powered by Claude Sonnet 4.5 via the Converse Stream API, managed with Amazon DynamoDB for state tracking. A sophisticated workflow is in place to handle user queries. Inputs are sanitized, intent is classified, and complex, knowledge-intensive questions trigger a query expansion strategy using Claude 3.5 Haiku to generate multiple search variations. These queries execute parallel retrieval calls against the knowledge base, drastically reducing retrieval latency from 10 seconds to under 2 seconds. The retrieved context, combined with conversation history, is fed to the model, while Amazon Bedrock guardrails automatically filter out sensitive data like PII and financial information from both inputs and outputs, ensuring strict compliance. /N scalability and reliability are maintained through an automated document ingestion pipeline that transforms uploaded documents into searchable vector embeddings. Furthermore, comprehensive observability is paramount. The system integrates OpenTelemetry, OTEL, with a self-hosted Langfuse instance to capture end-to-end traces of every interaction, from query expansion and knowledge retrieval to model decisions and response generation. This detailed telemetry allows engineers to pinpoint performance bottlenecks, optimize prompt strategies, and continuously refine the system's accuracy and adherence to responsible AI principles. /N this serverless architecture provides the necessary elasticity and security for enterprise deployment. By combining automated knowledge ingestion, stateful conversational flows, and deep, traceable observability, Amazon FinTech has created a governed, transparent, and highly scalable platform for managing complex regulatory compliance workflows. This pattern offers a practical blueprint for other organizations looking to modernize knowledge-intensive processes with generative AI. Amazon Redshift has launched Amazon Redshift RG instances, a new instance family powered by AWS Graviton, designed to significantly boost performance and reduce costs for modern data analytics workloads. This new offering integrates a data lake query engine directly into the data warehouse, allowing users to execute SQL analytics across both their data warehouse tables and data lake data from a single engine. Redshift has continuously evolved to meet the demands of growing data volumes and the increasing scale of AI agent usage, where traditional data warehouse scaling can lead to spiraling operational costs. To address this, the RG instances deliver substantial improvements. They run data warehouse workloads up to 2.2 times faster than RAW3 instances, while achieving a 30% lower price per vCPU. Furthermore, the integrated query engine offers performance up to 2.4 times faster than RAW3 for Apache Iceberg, and 1.5 times faster than RAW3 for Apache Parquet. This new architecture simplifies operations by consolidating the querying of warehouse tables and Amazon S3 data lakes, reducing total analytics costs. A key operational benefit is the elimination of the need for Amazon Redshift Spectrum. Data lake queries now execute directly on cluster nodes, utilizing existing IAM roles and staying within the VPC boundary, thereby removing the previous $5 per terabyte scanning charges. Users can easily adopt the new instances by launching new clusters or migrating existing ones via the AWS Management Console, CLI, or API. Crucially, external tables, schemas, and existing query syntax, including Spectrum queries, remain unchanged, requiring no code modifications or recreation of external objects. The integrated data lake query engine is enabled by default. Amazon Redshift RG instances are currently available across numerous Oz regions, including US East, US West, Asia Pacific, Canada, Europe, and South America. Customers are encouraged to use the AWS pricing calculator to estimate savings based on their specific workload patterns. The update notes the removal of the Middle East, UAE, region from the current availability list. Noi Dung Kai Tight. Amazon Web Services has significantly enhanced observability for Amazon EMR workloads running on EC2 with the release of EMR 7.11.0 and associated console updates, streamlining monitoring, debugging, and troubleshooting for complex data processing and analytics environments. These improvements focus on providing end-to-end visibility into cluster health, job execution, and resource utilization. /N/N key enhancements introduced include seamless Amazon CloudWatch logs integration, granular control over Amazon S3 logging, expanded console UIs for Yarn and Tez, direct mapping of EMR steps to Yarn application IDs, and enhanced custom metrics. /N/N, one of the most significant updates is the near real-time streaming of cluster logs to Amazon CloudWatch logs without requiring custom bootstrap actions. Amazon EMR automatically captures and streams step execution logs, Spark driver, and Spark executor logs, making them instantly available for monitoring via the CloudWatch console or API. Users can configure these logs with minimal effort, with options to customize log group names, set log stream prefixes for filtering, enable encryption using AWS KMS, and select specific log types for capture. This allows for structured querying using CloudWatch logs, insights to trace failures across driver and executor logs. /N/N for enhanced security and multi-tenancy. S3 logging capabilities now allow users to specify a dedicated S3 destination and an independent KMS encryption key at the individual Amazon EMR step level, enabling granular control over log organization and security for different workflow components. /N/N operational visibility has been boosted through new console-hosted application UIs. These interfaces, which integrate the existing Spark history server and Yarn timeline interfaces, allow administrators to access application diagnostics without needing direct network connectivity to cluster nodes, offering live application UIs for console-hosted access, on-cluster web UIs for unrestricted access, and persistent web UIs for data retention beyond cluster lifetime. /N/N crucially. The Amazon EMR console now surfaces the Yarn application ID directly within the EMR step details panel. This creates a direct link between the EMR step abstraction and the underlying Yarn application, enabling users to navigate directly to the Resource Manager Live UI or container logs. This feature is complemented by improved metric collection. By default, cluster-level metrics are sent to CloudWatch every 5 minutes, and enabling the Amazon CloudWatch agent extends this with 1-minute interval metrics. Furthermore, EMR 7.1 introduced custom metric classifications, allowing users to precisely define which component-level metrics, such as data node I/O activity or node manager JVM heap utilization, are collected from Hadoop, Yarn, and HBase subsystems with configurable export intervals. These custom metrics are accessible directly in the Monitoring tab. /N/N, these observability improvements are now available for Amazon EMR on EC2, designed to reduce root cause analysis time. Users should note that enabling CloudWatch logs integration and custom metrics may incur additional CloudWatch charges based on ingestion volume and publishing frequency.